Hello everybody. You're looking at our two-person inflatable tube, which we use by towing it with our boat. It has 5 different air compartments. There's the outer ring, which is 1. Then there are 2 inflatable back cushions. So lastly, 2 inflatable seat cushions. One on the right and one on the left. One of the seat cushions, which is this yellow thing here, has been nothing but a problem. It has continually leaked, and tried various methods and numerous attempts to repair the leak, and none of them worked until I tried something new. And the air cushions have ribs in them. There's 3 ribs on each side, and the thickness of the vinyl gets quite thin right in this area here, the rib. And that's exactly where I developed 3 air leaks. 1, 2, 3 of them. They're actually on the other end. And all of them have been repaired now. But all the air leaks occurred where the material is very thin. My initial repairs were all done with the standard vinyl patch kit. Actually, it was the vinyl patch kit that came with the tube, and when that didn't work, I tried something else. I went to a traditional bicycle patch kit. That didn't work either. But the thing that finally does work, and it seems to be working very, very well, is, believe it or not, SHOE GOO. This happens to be SHOE GOO 2. And it applies very, very easily. All I did was I applied a little bit to the air leak and let that dry. Applied a little more. I put a patch over it and then applied even more SHOE GOO over the top of it. This particular SHOE GOO dries clear. It's very flexible. It's quite tacky, and it has finally solved my air leak. This doesn't look very pretty because I've gone over 2 of the patches which seem to be working okay. I've reinforced them. But the major leak that I had, that was the most difficult one to repair, I simply used the SHOE GOO, the standard yellow vinyl patch that came with the original tube, and it looks like it's holding very, very well. I've pressurized this, I've sat on it, I put a weight on it and let it sit overnight, and it is not losing any more air. So another idea I'll share with you is, once I got the patch and the glue in place, I got myself a couple of pieces of foam. This is a very dense foam, very stiff foam. And I laid the foam over the top of my repair. And then I came in with a set of wood clamps and clamped it super, super tight and let that sit overnight. So putting a lot of pressure onto the repair, and rather than apply the pressure directly from these wooden jaws to the vinyl seam, I used a little bit of pretty dense foam and then clamped that foam so that you got a lot of pressure applied through the entire surface of this crack. So I can tell you that that works very, very well. Works better than anything I've tried. I'm also going to try this on an air mattress, which has been a little bit challenging, one of those flocked air mattresses. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this entertaining or informative, how about a thumbs up? And please subscribe to my channel.